Have you ever made a video you're really proud of only to realize that 80% of the world cannot understand it? That was us. Because of Feisworld Media, we have produced over 400 podcast episodes and YouTube videos, all in English. And while we saw views from places like Spain and China and Latin America, people clicked, realized it wasn't in their language, and left within seconds. Reaching a global audience used to be a luxury. You needed dubbing, studios, voice actors, translators, and weeks of editing. We actually did this once for my Amazon Prime documentary called Feisworld, and it cost thousands of dollars and took 3 weeks per language. And that is totally unsustainable for creators or small businesses. But fast forward to today, and everything has changed. AI can now translate and dub your videos in minutes. And after testing out all the major tools, with our real Feisworld content, Synthesia stood out from the crowd. Not only because it's fast, but because it makes your translated videos look and sound completely natural.
Synthesia réanime en fait les mouvements de ta bouche image par image.
Let's talk about what makes Synthesia so special. First is the lip sync. This is the magic. Most translation tools only change the audio, but the lips are still moving in the original language. It looks very weird and distracting.
How did the game go on Sunday? Are congratulations in order? Yes, Principal Mendelson. Decipher in a clear and fun way the latest repositories of IT management.
Synthesia actually reanimates your mouth movements, frame by frame. And it makes you look like you're truly speaking Spanish or Chinese or French. When I translated one of my 42-minute interview into Spanish, my colleague and head of content here at Feisworld, his name is Herman, watched it and he said to me,
No sabía que esto era inteligencia artificial. Juraría que grabaste esto en un estudio en español. Ahí fue cuando me di cuenta de que esta tecnología ya está lista para el horario estelar.
I didn't know that this was AI. I would swear you recorded this in a Spanish studio. That's when I realized that this technology is ready for prime time. Second is voice cloning, or what Synthesia calls express voice. So instead of using a robotic voice, it keeps your tone, your style, and your energy. So even when I speak Spanish or Chinese, my audience hears me, not a generic AI voice. That's what builds real connection. Now, let's talk about speed. Traditional dubbing takes weeks. Synthesia takes minutes. Our workflow is very simple. When a new video performs well, we upload it to Synthesia, then we choose Spanish and Chinese, review the transcript, and then hit generate. In about 15 minutes, we have multilingual versions ready to publish. There's no studio, there's no waiting, and no extra step.
So we have dubbing right here. Let's click on that, and then let's drag and drop our video. Auto detect, which is English, and we're gonna dub it to French, why not? And also Spanish. I can even choose Argentina because that's where my producer is from. Lip sync, what does this mean? If your video features people speaking, we'll sync their lip movement to the translated video. So this means you'll be doubling the credits, but this is what we're testing, so it's absolutely worth it. And video duration is adaptive. So what it means is dubbed video speed will actually be adjusted because people speaking a different language will change the speed of the video or how fast a sentence is being arranged. Whereas original means the dubbed video will keep the same duration as the original. And this is best or better for fast-paced dynamic video, and this one, the first one, is going to be better for instructional content. For the sake of it, I actually want to see adaptive content. Look at this. So immediately on the next video screen, you have various options. You have the Spanish version, the French version, and the English version. And this, as you can see, the foreign language would take about 30 minutes, whereas it's generating the English version, which is the version I'm already speaking in, and that's going to be 15 minutes.
And one of my favorite features is the smart link. You share one link and it automatically plays the right language based on where your viewer is. So a fan in Mexico can hear Spanish, and one in France can hear French, all from the same link. That is very powerful. So if you're a content creator or marketer, or part of a learning and development team, this is for you. You probably have tons of videos sitting on your channel in English. Don't start from scratch. You can translate that top 10% that already perform well. And that's where the global growth happens. Marketers, imagine creating one ad and localizing it for 20 markets in one afternoon. And educators and companies, you can now finally give every employee the same quality training material, no matter their language. We've been testing Synthesia for months now, and the results speak for themselves. High quality lip sync, natural voice cloning, and seamless workflow all in one platform. To me, that's a real power of AI, which is all about helping us communicate better across borders without losing our human touch. Hey, so if you want to see how it works, I have linked the free Synthesia video translation tool below. Consider uploading one of your videos and you'll be surprised how real it feels. Let's keep creating globally.